Talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a that's what they don't understand.
I'm back again like flu season. I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving. Don't give a I don't care. Did the by my lonesome. No wonder now I'm on one. No shortcut.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the J Speed Racing YouTube channel. Today we have a special one in store. We're going to start off with a little bit of Z3 work. So we got this car last week for $850. If you missed the first episode, I'll link it right here if you want to check it out. There was a little bit of shake in the steering wheel. We narrowed it down to the ball joint, so we got some in off eBay, of course. We're keeping this thing low budget. This is a beater car. So right now we're actually going to go ahead and replace the lower control arm so we can get this thing working right and on the road. So these are the parts we got fresh off eBay. We got two lower control arms. I splurged for the lollipop bushing or lower control arm bushing. I did not want to reuse the old one. So hey, why not really treat it? We got sway bar links, and then we got inner and outer tie rods, and all this was 160 bucks. To get the job done for 160 bucks for all this stuff. Came in a few days. So I guess after 223,000 miles, the ball joints on this car officially started to go out, which is to be expected. There's some play on the passenger side. The driver's side's even worse. Yeah. So, as you can see, those are out. So what we're gonna go and do, quickly replace them so we can get driving tonight. First step, we're gonna take off the wheel, and then we're gonna go ahead and definitely gonna take the sway bar linkage out. I'm gonna go ahead and get the, we'll get behind it, take that nut off, take this subframe bolt off. The nut's just right up there. Really nice because the 4-cylinder is tiny little engine, and I guess it has some more space. And then we'll take the two bolts off in the back with the bushing back here, and we'll have a new one of those. Just got the old one out. Now, I'm not sure if you can replace just the ball joint itself, but we're like, hey, it's so cheap, let's just replace it all. That way you have new joints for the subframe and then new lower control arm or the lollipop bushings. So I'll go ahead and link the kit down in the description where I got these on eBay in case you're doing this to your car, so that way you can start off with some fresh suspension. That's our problem right there. Yep, that's why you're getting that shake. 50 miles an hour, that steering wheel just going back and forth on us, and that's why. Cooking. He's throwing a lot of angle on it.
Yeah, it is. Oh gosh. Open diff, it's not really kicking him out.
Open diff. He's taking a weird line.
Prius. Oh, he has an engine.
$330, $325. Hey, you do you. You know, you're better at the line here. Gravel drifting review for the Z3, 10 out of 10. That thing hauls in the gravel. Leave it in first gear, she cranks. We've moved to the asphalt, but unfortunately, neither Tyler nor I have a welded diff. So Andy's gonna lead here and start doing some drifting. We're in Mexico, we're good to go. We might try to do some handbrake stuff with the Z3 because I think the handbrake works. So we gotta test out the new beater. Hey, remember, she's already had some issues, so we're having fun. Good. She's a beater. Round 2, go get him. Dude, that is funny. The auto's a little bit AIDS. I noticed. Were you in first? I was all over the place. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. R, whatever. Understeer. I like that. How did that look? That was, honestly, I just feel bad locking up the automatic. Right. But I'm gonna do it. I like the momentum. It didn't sound good. Something didn't like that. It's those bumps, I tell you, that you go flying, you'll bottom out on crap. Tyler's turn. Tyler! Nope. Yes. I'm matted, but one more. They say if you took out that dirt pile right there, it was good. That was nice. That was fresh.
Yeah, well, I got
How's the bumper? Man, we sent that sand everywhere. I feel kind of bad. That's all right. I got enough sand. Sand's cheap. Give him some limiter, Jordan! Give him some limiter!
Sounds better from inside.
Dude, it sounds...
Alright, we gotta get out.
We gotta go. you made it this far in the video, I want to give you a little update on something I've been working on behind the scenes, behind the camera, and that is my S13 Drift Car. So I'll put a picture on the screen here, what it looked like before, and I actually recently painted it. But here it is. I want to show it to you. Like I said, I didn't film the process, but I want to show you the end result. So if you look behind me, it is now red. My personal opinion, the S13 hatch looks the best in red. I'm not a huge hatch guy, but a red S13 hatch, I think is where it's at. It's either red or white. And I thought white was kind of plain, so it's a drift car. I wanted to make it pop, so we went with the red. Let me show you. So it's kind of hard to see on camera. It does not do it justice. It is a lot more deeper in person than on camera, but overall the paint job came out phenomenally. This is like the third car I've painted, so each car keeps getting progressively better and better. But as you can see, I actually left, it was black, so I taped off the A pillar just like a factory OEM S13, left that black, and then everything else is red. I do have over fenders for the backs. That's the stock body. It's a little bit beat up, but I do have over fenders that I'm going to be painting along with the front end. And I got to order a bumper. The bumpers and side skirt are back ordered, but I do have the fenders, so that'll be kind of round 2 of painting. But just get a couple shots. If you just take a look, it came out so nice. There's so much gloss to it. I'm gonna open the door and get a shot from the back side. I'm also gonna do chrome tint on this car, so this will be reflective. I'll put a picture on the screen of what chrome tint looks like. Andy has it on his E46, so it'll be chrome tint with the red. I might do some sort of roof wing and then a little wing off the back. So I'm adding a lot more style to the car, which is kind of what I was wanting to do. The interior is going to be about the same. It's kind of ugly on the inside, but we're going to make do. This is kind of my practice car, if you will. I did replace the doors, and these doors actually have windows in them. So I'll be able to have windows, and then I'm going to have a sunroof cover. But overall, she's getting a little bit refreshed. The motor is not in the car, as you can tell. It's going to be coming back in about a week from getting refreshed. And she'll be pretty much brand new. Got a clutch in. I got a few more parts in. This car mainly needed a bunch of little things looked over. A bunch of corners were cut when built, and so I want to make it a lot more reliable. The taillights ended up going with the JDM kooky tails for the S13. Check these things out. They're so dope. Check that out, guys. S13 kooky tails. The back end's not completely on, as you can tell. But man, it looks so good. I did splurge for the JDM carbon little cover for the center light. I got a cheap little eBay center light and then put the carbon cover over it. But these taillights are like $350 for the tails, so hopefully I don't tap anything. But there's another shot of the paint, and man, it just looks so good. Before, the black was kind of neglected. It was scratched up. Everything was so nasty. But now, fresh paint, fresh tails, fresh headlights, fresh hood. Everything's going to be refreshed. You will not recognize this thing when it's done. If you want to see more S13 stuff, let me know in the comments. I really don't do much 240 stuff on the channel because I know a lot of you guys are BMW people. But if you've made it this far in the video, you're probably really committed. So let me know if you want to see more of the S13 build. I will be doing an official reveal whenever it's completely done. Man, the Z3, it's a great little car. I love it so much. Oh, let me show you one thing. Ended up test fitting the bumper on the 335i. If you haven't stayed up to date with this series, I'll go and link it in the top right. Fresh bumper on this thing, looks absolutely amazing. Z3, she's dirty, but she is a little champion. We have a lot of videos in mind. Also, don't forget, go hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.